Hello, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my course, Chef's Apprentice, Learning to Cook Like a Pro, One Small Plate at a Time. This course has 104 lessons, which I will post on YouTube every 1 to 2 weeks. The course has 4 segments: easy, medium difficulty, challenging, and the ultimate challenge. You're going to learn recipes, but not meals. I was trained in French technique, but you will learn French, Italian, and Asian, which will be mostly Japanese, and also my riffs on American food or American food. Each lesson is a small plate, kind of like an appetizer, which are often the most interesting things on menus, right? The point of each lesson is not so much to learn how to make the dish, but to learn techniques and build your skills. As you cook your way through this course, techniques will build upon and reinforce each other. Cooking your way through this course from beginning to end will teach you to cook savory food like a pro. I will also teach you the lingo of a chef. But I gotta warn you, skipping lessons or taking them out of order will make everything much, much harder. If you start with lesson 1 and cook your way through lesson 104 and the ultimate challenge, you will be able to hold your own against almost any chef. But you may find that you eat at home a lot more because your food will be as good or better than you can get in most restaurants. I will include some master recipes and sauces which are used in several different lessons, and you can use them to make your own riffs. I will also post some videos showing you how to do certain things. They're in addition to the course, not part of the 104 lessons. For example, there's a video on making stock, in this case duck stock, but the basic recipe or the basic procedure can be used to make any kind of stock. There's also videos on breaking down a whole chicken into its parts and on rendering duck fat and making duck cracklings, which my dogs love. I will post other videos throughout the course. I will also explain cooking terms as I go, but will also post a glossary. I will also post an equipment list for the well-equipped kitchen. But don't let the equipment list freak you out. I'll let you know what equipment we really need as we go along. But if you're like me and you're taking this course, then you probably like to buy kitchen equipment and dream of a well-equipped kitchen. If you follow the equipment list, you will achieve that dream. You can see I'm wearing a chef's jacket. I highly recommend it, partly to keep your clothes clean, but also to help your cook like a pro mindset. You can buy them online. I get mine at chefware.com, but this one came from Classic Cooking School in Scottsdale, Arizona, owned by Pascal Dino, who taught me to cook like a pro. One great thing about cooking is that there's always more to learn. Even the greatest chefs are always looking to learn something, a new technique or ingredient, or a new way to use an old one. This is the concept behind Chef's Apprentice. We are all always learning to cook. And don't be discouraged if some dishes fail. In each failure, you learn something. So experiment, fail, learn from it, and try again. So let's start cooking, starting with lesson 1, grilled ham and cheese bites. And please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel with no obligation. Thanks for listening.